I have a 2001 Sierra. The back extended cab door would not open when I was trying to unlatch it. It was not frozen. It's just they put these crappy plastic clips in there that will occasionally break. So in order to fix this, you are going to have to take off the paneling. And in order to do that, you will probably need the door upholstery remover. It's a cheap part you can get at your O'Reilly's or any of your auto part stores. This is what it looks like. I also had to, one, take off the outside door so I could actually get in there and mess with the actual broken piece. Also, you're going to have to buy, these are door lock rod clips, because you have to get into the rod and find the broken little plastic piece. So let me show you this. I only had to take 2 screws out, this one and this one, because of the screw holes here and here. After that, you would use that door panel puller and get underneath to pry the door panel off. So here's your door panel. Remove 2 screws. Also had to take out the little plastic piece where the latch for the back door is. Now, once you look inside here, you can see the broken plastic piece. It had broken down. Instead of making it out of metal, they make it out of this garbage plastic that'll break down over the years. So if you look in here, I went ahead and replaced it. You can see the little yellow piece right there. It will go into the hole here, and that way when you hit the latch, the door will open again. Otherwise, that little plastic piece that's broken will prevent your door from opening. Hopefully that helped. I'm going to put this back together. Have a great day.